this is the straightened side, the recovered side, and this is the fried side.
I'm a failure. After all that hard work. I'm sorry, All Might. I'm sorry, Mom.
Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day, and yeah, bye. Look at this. Cutting skill. That's fried hair.
This is the most beautiful thing I've ever seen in my life.
Someone wants fried hair? I have some for you.